Come on along. Come on along. Hey, what's going on here? Oh, we got a Ponsse in the shop. Ponsse. It's got some environmental issues. It's leaking oil out of the rear end. The boys are gonna pull that out today. Getting somewhere out in the back. A little at a time as we got time. But this one is weird. The bogey bearings aren't bad. At least we can tell they're not bad, but they're leaking. There's 1890 coming out of them. And this environmental issue this thing's got is related to that, you know, fancy stuff that you gotta do on these new engines. We're thinking the DEF pump is out of it. They were out in the woods the other day and did some work on it, and it still is derated. So we got the technical people coming down from the Ponsse store with the computer, because that's how it rolls these days. I don't know what to tell you, but we'll get to the bottom of it. We always do. And then they're gonna roll the bogies out this morning. And we're thinking the seal is compromised in there between the bogey and the differential. Don't know how, but okay, so we're gonna be on discovery mode today. Why she's dripping down there where the jack is. They were out doing the environmental issue the other day, and they discovered that and thought, and then the 2-speed transmission needs a shifter kit. Shift to high to low. So hey, and the boys got, Mr. Michigan is all done. We even got a new air filter, current to 2025. Nice. They took the rack off yesterday and retorqued everything. Got it hot, retorqued it, got it warm. We got forklift issues, and then we can't get in and out of the building today. This building was built in 2005 or 2006. I don't know how many times this door is opened and closed, but lots. Apparently it went bang yesterday, the spring. So overhead, somebody's coming today, my buddies, and they're gonna change that out. It's just been crazy to say the least around here, kind of, sort of. So, you know what I mean? Okay. Parts. Troy said we need a new one, so I guess we're doing what Troy says today. So Troy said we need a new one, so we're doing what Troy said today. Oh, we need a new one of them too, because it's got, oh yeah. She's all starred up in there. Okay. Hey, that felt good on the finger. What's this in here for? Oh, that's a block.
That's what the stud's threaded.
Oh, it's a threaded block too yet. Okay, cool. See how long I've been since I worked on this. Hey, nephew. And tomorrow we got an actual Ponsse technician coming down because we got issues. No, the Sheen's got issues. The Sheen, not me. I got a lot of issues, but not that kind of issue. I just take some X-Lac if I can. This thing is, something's wrong with it as far as that. I think I was saying that before, environmental stuff. So, that's it. Parts is parts, and guys are guys. We'll see you later. See you, bye.